How to select and choose chat history on Botim app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you select and choose chat history on Botim app. To select and choose chat history on Botim app, you have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update. So go to your respective app store and on the search box, you want to type in Botim. When you locate Botim, see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, click the open button and log into your account. When you're logged in, that will take you to the home page, and here click the me icon at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. When you go to the profile page, click on chats and calls, and you want to go to Migrate Chat History. After you do it so, click on select chat history. Since I have none, so you could actually go ahead and select all, or you could also go ahead and click on filter by and filter it according to the month, day, whatever you want. And you could also go ahead and tap the next button in order to see other options. This way you'll be able to select and choose chat history on Botim app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.